Jai Hind everyone, welcome to Kannada Defense Academy. As we are getting the series of physics, and this is the fourth lecture that I am delivering on the platform of Kannada Defense Academy. Till now, we have discussed all the importance and types of questions and syllabus pattern, all these things. Now we are started the series of previous year questions, and I have analyzed last 10-year questions, and I made PPT of all these things on question that is asked in last 10 years for the physics. So we will do question by questions, and that is previous year question, that is by chapters by chapter. So we will go through the chapters by chapter and with the quick explanation of that particular questions. So without wasting any time, let's go for that. So here is the first question that is asked in NDA, that is a basic question, that is which one of the following is the correct relation between angstrom and nanometer. Okay, as you can see here. So everyone should know that a relation between 1 nanometer to the meter, that is 10 to power minus 9 meter. Okay, and 1 angstrom is equal to, that will be 10 to power minus 10 meter. Okay, this is the relation between nanometer to the meter and angstrom to the meter. But the question is asked here, nanometer to the angstrom. So what we can do here, by this we can divide it both. So 1 nanometer upon 1 angstrom, that will be equal to 10 to power minus 9 upon 10 to power minus 10. Okay, meter upon meter, that will be going to cancel out. So 1 nanometer upon 1 angstrom, that is equal to 10. Okay, if you can see here, by that is a simple calculation here. So 1 nanometer is equal to 10 angstrom. That will be the relation between nanometer to angstrom. Okay, so option B is the right answer. You can solve it easily by there is various other method. You can multiply here in 10 to power minus 1 and into 10 to power minus 1, and you can solve it by putting the angstrom value, and easily you can get the answer, the same value here. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 angstrom. And there is a various other relation that you should know, that like here I'm writing 1 micron is equal to 10 to power minus 6 meter. Okay, 1 millimeter is equal to 10 to power minus 3 meter. Okay, so you need to remember all this thing, that is the unit interchange. And now here is the second question, that is again with the unit. If a free electron moves through a potential difference of 1 kilovolt, then energy gained by the electron is given by. So as here we should go for that. So as we know that 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 joule. Okay, now what we can do, what is asked here, 1 kilovolt. Okay, so if we see kilo, what is kilo? 10 to power 3. Wherever there is a kilo, that we can write in the term of 10 to the power 3. So we can multiply here 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 into 10 to power 3 joule. So that will be equal to 1.6 into 10 to power minus 16 joule, 1 kilovolt. So that will be our answer. This option number B will be the answer. What you can do, you can pause in between and try to solve by yourself. If you are stuck, then resume again and see the solution of that.